hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Sorry it's like doom and gloom weather out here. So turning the 360 into a cork, just a little way to approach it that can maybe get you over the fear. Just to break that down a little further so you can understand, all we're doing is we're taking a 360 and we're adding it to a gainer and slowly turning our gainer more and more sideways. So we start out by doing what looks like maybe like a 720 basically, but it's really just like a gainer with a 360. That's all a cork is. So you're gonna take your 360 off of your J step, however you want to approach it, and you're gonna slowly turn it over and over, more and more over the shoulder towards the way you spin, and then eventually you're gonna cork your way over and you're gonna land back around. That's just one way to approach it slowly. You can lay down some pads and stuff if you want. Preferably do this at a gymnastics center or somewhere safe. Other than that though, I hope this helps you all out. Sorry if I didn't look as snappy as normal, and sorry if my examples might not have been like the best right now. It's just it's super wet out here, but the ground is like really hard, so it's like super slippery, so forgive me.
You shouldn't be making a tutorial that your form isn't absolutely perfect.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are enjoying these slow motion tutorials. Give me suggestions for the next trick you want to see. With that being said, peace, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos coming out. I'll see you all in the next video.